How to change your profile avatar in FC Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are on FC Mobile and want to change your profile avatar, then first of all launch the game open on your device and from the lobby screen go to the right hand side corner and tap on Club. Inside the Club option, select Locker Room. Now go to the top left and you'll see a customization button. Simply tap on your current profile avatar right there. And on the next page, choose a different logo you want. This logo will also appear in your avatar. Just select the logo and click confirm. Right after you do that, the change will be saved. If you get back to the home screen now, you'll be able to change your avatar, which will appear at the top left. So that's how you change your profile avatar in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.